channel. I just wanted to pop in really fast and hopefully show you guys the Sephora Play box for the month of December. I know December's almost over, but I just got it today on the 27th. I believe it was delivered Saturday. Today's now Wednesday. But I just opened it, like you guys saw the scissors. I just cut it open. It says the 2017 playlist. It's like, I don't really understand. Thanks for playing with us this year. Here are just a few of the ways you made 2017 awesome. It says like the states and like the number of people that have it. I guess number of photos shared, extra points you've earned, YouTube, stuff like that. And then this is apparently July was their most loved box. Let's just jump on in before my camera dies. Ooh, we got some good stuff. Okay, so the bag is kind of cool. It's got more of a gold to it, and then rather than like the normal white one, and it feels a lot nicer. I like this a lot actually. And it says glam straight, you know, like glam words. I'm sorry, I try not to cuss on my channel. The first thing I pulled out is a fragrance. It's in Clementine, California by Atelier. I know that I like this fragrance. So that's nice. It's a, it has, what is the notes to it? Stop. Clementine, mandarin, and juniper berries. It's just awesome. I love it. It says, this sunny, effervescent scent features California clementines balanced with star anise and juniper berries. It's the bomb. I like it a lot. I also got the Singapore Tiger Grass Cream, which is nice because I wanted to try this. I used to use like a sample of it, but I'm happy that I can like actually like have a container for it. Let's see if I can get it out of the box. So, I mean, it's not the giant, biggest size, but I mean, it'll work. This is just the cream, right? Yeah, it's just a cream, not the color correcting. This is designed to be like for just dry skin that are easily sensitive or have redness. Basically, my face. The next thing that I'm pulling out, and actually that's Singapore, yeah, is a soothing formula to calm redness and irritation. And then next is this Makeup Forever M401 matte lipstick. I think I have this. Yep, I do. So that'll go in a thing for my sister. But there's what it looks like. I'm sorry, I just can't get these swatches off my hand. So yeah, let me put that in my drawer of extra things. So that, I mean, that's cool, like if you've never tried that one before. I mean, it's cool if you've never tried it before to like get that in this box. But I mean, I have, so Bella, stop. Next thing is this triple sec, so it's a 3-in-1. So this airy spray revives lifeless strands, adds volume and body to your style, and extends your glow out. So it's not a dry shampoo, it's just a spray, I guess. I don't know if I'll get a lot of use out of that. There's two more things in here. One of them is Smashbox. Ooh, it's an eyeshadow duo. That's kind of nice, honestly. Let's swatch them. Ooh, they're kind of like, they're soft, but they're not crazy pigmented, and there's some kick up in the pan. I don't know if you guys can see that. They're not very pigmented. I have two of the Smashbox eyeshadows. It's a golden hour. I don't think I have that one. I have a blaze and that one. Nope. This one. Oh, it is golden hour. The one I don't ever use. So I guess that can also go to my sister. It's the 2 middle shades, so if you have this one, you don't need this one. Anyways, in the thing for my sister. And lastly, we got an eyeliner. Is this a full size? This is big. Like, it's a Clinique eyeliner in black. Jet black lines. That's cool. I wonder if this is full size. It's so big. Like, this is a healthy eyeliner. Like, let me, hold on. Here's the ink liner by Kat Von D, and here's this Clinique one. They're the same length. So this has got to be a full-size eyeliner, which is super exciting. It says Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen Eyeliner Precision Extreme Clinique in 01 Black. It's not super black, it's more light gray. You can get a pretty thin line though. And I could see using this on like days when I don't wear a lot of makeup. I wonder how long lasting it is. But yeah, this month was a pretty good box. Like, that cream is a good cream. The fragrance is a good fragrance. The eyeshadow's okay. I mean, not my favorite. The lipstick, if you've never used, like, if you don't have that shade, that would have been something awesome to get, because Makeup Forever is not cheap. You're not going to go through a whole lipstick anytime soon, especially a bright red one. The eyeliner is a full-size eyeliner. Like, what? And, I mean, the hair stuff's okay. This is a good month for Sephora, and it's much better than the BOXYCHARM one was. Oh, you guys, that one was not good. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, so that way I know, and leave a comment down below what you got in your box this month in case it's different than mine. Okay, I will see you guys next time. Bye.